Today we're working on a Komatsu FG25C. Just finished rebuilding all the hydraulic cylinders on it and now working on the propane system. For all you forklift guys out there, who by chance knows what this valve is that bolts into the fuel plate? Got the hose that's supposed to come from the vaporizer over to this valve and into the carburetor. All the manuals and people who know about these older forklifts seem to be far and few in between. So if you guys got any thoughts, suggestions, or know what it is, drop it in the comments below.